Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update PostgreSQL extensions like PostGIS step by step clearly. Begin by connecting to your PostgreSQL database using a command line tool or a database management interface. Use the following command to log in: PSQLU username d database_name. Ensure you replace username and database_name with your actual PostgreSQL username and the database you want to work with. Once logged in, check the current version of the PostGIS extension by using the command, select PostGIS_full_ version. Take note of the version number, as you may want to reference it later. Next, you'll want to check if any updates are available for PostGIS. To do this, exit the PostgreSQL shell by typing \q. Open your terminal and execute the command, apt-list upgradable if you're on Debian-based systems. If you're using RPM-based distributions, run yum update PostGIS. Return to the PostgreSQL shell after confirming that updates are available. To update the PostGIS extension, you'll need to run the following command: alter extension PostGIS update. This command updates PostGIS to the latest version installed on your system. After executing the update command, verify that the extension has been updated successfully. You can do this by running select PostGIS_full_ version again. Ensure the version number reflects the latest version that you checked earlier. In some cases, additional extensions related to PostGIS, such as PostGIS_topology, may also need updating. To update these additional extensions, repeat the alter extension command for each one. After all extensions have been updated, consider reviewing the PostGIS release notes for any changes or new features. Finally, perform any necessary testing to ensure that your applications work seamlessly with the new version. Once all steps are completed, you have successfully updated your PostgreSQL extensions like PostGIS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.